Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be telling you how to download and install the latest version of Java. Firstly, what you have to do is install Java itself. To do that, head over to the Java download webpage. The link will be in the description. Once you're there, scroll down and click download button to begin. The download should only take a few seconds. Once Java has finished downloading, you'll need to install it. To do that, you double click the downloaded file to open the installation window. Then click install. Then you wait a few seconds while Java downloads and installs the required resources. After the installation is complete, I'd recommend that you restart your PC for the changes to take effect. However, once your computer is restarted, you'll want to make sure Java is working correctly. You can do this by downloading an Optifine or Forge client. If the .jar file shows the Java icon, everything is working perfectly and you can stop here. However, if the file appears as a blank icon, you'll need to follow the next step. If your .jar files aren't opening correctly, you'll need to download the jar fix application. Head over to the official download page as always. The link will be in the description. Click the blue underlined text to start the download. Once the download is complete, double click the file. A window should appear saying that the .jar file type has been successfully registered. This means your .jar files are not fixed and should open normally. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.